Welcome back to another. Today we're gonna be doing a game with the fans. Oh yeah. Yeah. Luck is here. Today we're gonna be doing like something with the fans. Okay. Puppy Team, throw the party. Puppy Team, did you throw the party? Puppy Team. Hello. Did you throw the party? Okay. Puppy Team's gonna throw a big party. I should have chucked out of here. Luck, I mean. So, guys, we are going to be doing a game. Whoever wins gets a pet. And we can do a few rounds because we have so many extra pets we totally don't want. I only want this pet, which is mine. So, yeah. Yeah. So, Puppy is gonna throw the party! Puppy party, whatever, they make the same. Puppy Team, have you thrown the party yet? Have you thrown the party yet, Puppy Team? Puppy Team, have you thrown the party? Let me go check on her, guys. Wait 1 second. So, hey guys, we are back. She planned the party. Okay, I'm just going to the party for no reason. And I'm actually gonna rate it because, like, Puppy Team needs some ratings. Okay, let's just put smiley face on Puppy Team's party. Oh yeah, and guys, I hope you guys will try come and don't skip the ropes. You kind of need to pay. Wait, some people don't like when you need to pay for the party, Puppy Team. We won't. Well, for our first customers, it's free, right? Someone, yes, guys, we are bringing people in. No, Puppy Team, just let them go in. It's okay. Love to puppies versus gamers. Love to puppies versus gamers. We we are. I just saying that, guys. Okay. Okay. Whatever they're doing, do they want to sit in the middle? Okay. They may go to the show now. Come on. Yay! Wait, Pixies! Puppy Team, we're gonna do a Pixies. Yay! So guys, let's go to the show. It's showtime, guys. Come on. Okay. Puppy Team, have we planned out our theme song yet? Okay. If you win our game, you get a pet. Now here are all the rules. We say a pet And if you have it, you stay. If you don't, then yeah. So guys, since we explained the rules, sit down, please. Sit down, please. Do you have a penguin? Let's just say this. Who has a common pet? Does Lady Lara have one? Okay, they both have common pets. Okay. Show the common. Show the common. Yeah, I'm giving everybody a free pet. Giving everybody a free pet. Okay, she quit. Although, just 'cause she quit, I'm not giving. Okay, I'm just gonna ask her. Do you want it or not? Do you want it or not? Everybody's getting a rare pet because I don't want people to be like, oh, I didn't get a rare pet. It's not you. Get a monkey. You are our first customer. That's why. Two puppies versus gamers. Yeah, sub to puppies versus gamers. Guys, remember to sub and turn all notifications on. Just gonna say to. Thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, her other sister was like, report. They asked me to. Do you know her older younger sister said to report us? We're not doing anything wrong, right? Okay, she just left to subscribe. So, yeah. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so you never miss one of our videos. Bye, guys.